one do y'all want to open first?
This one.
Oh, this one? Okay.
This one.
Okay.
What we got?
Well, I don't know. Let's see. Wow. Show them. What is it? Show the camera.
We got medicine.
Yeah. It's Strong Tooth Restore Tooth Remineralization Formula. Whole food dietary supplement. Wow. It says that for most human history, we consumed whole animal nose to tail, bones, blood, horns to hooves. And we did by tearing, grinding, and gnawing. So this will help strengthen your teeth.
I want this one.
Okay, you want to open the box now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yay!
Which one? Okay, let's save the big box for last.
Big one.
Yeah.
No box.
Little box. Get it out. Whoa, what is it? Can you show them? It's colostrum. Yeah, it's immune support, GI tract health, muscle recovery, and revitalized energy. It's from the brand Wonder Cow. Wow. Okay, ready for the big box? Yep. Are you ready? Let's see. Let's see. What's inside? Oh. Okay, can you get open?
What we got?
What do we got?
What is it?
Wow. I don't know. Let's see. Can you get all the paper out?
I'm gonna get the paper out.
Get it out, bring it.
Put in it. Here you go.
Oh, is there something in there? No. Get it. Oh, there's something in there. What is it? Hurry. Get it open. Can you get that one, Xander?
I'm not opening this one.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh!
This looks black.
I'm a ready pop mom.
Look, it's everything but the bagel seasoning. My favorite.
I'm a ready pop mom.
What's this? What's this?
Put in it.
We'll get it out. Ooh, and we got mustard barbecue sauce from Noble Made. It's all organic, naturally sweetened with. It's sweetened with pineapple juice and no high fructose corn syrup or artificial flavors or coloring.
In it.
What is that?
It's a hot dog.
I think it's more everything but the bagel seasoning. Wow, let's get it. Get it out. Wow, look. Are you so excited to use it? I think that's all.